So student, today we will discuss about the functioning of an ecosystem. As we all know, ecosystem functions as a self-sufficient or independent unit in nature. Mean ecosystem doesn't require any kind of interruption. Mean ecosystem is having both type of component, biotic and abiotic component, and they both are intermingled with each other in such a manner that it fulfill all the requirement of life on earth. So ecosystem functions, all the components are present in ecosystem, and it functions in a very regulated way, very organized manner. So from the nutrient pool, what is the nutrient pool? Nutrient pool of earth means soil, water, air, carbon dioxide, water. When all the things are absorbed by green plant, what are the green plant? Green plants are only the producers, because they can manufacture their own food in presence of sunlight. This process is known as photosynthesis. You all know it very well. Okay, so the producer or producers organism convert inorganic substance into organic substances like carbohydrate, and carbohydrate is a most important energy, most important form of an energy. Okay, so producers trap solar energy and then provide the basic food or energy for all other life forms in the ecosystem. Producers are only medium by which herbivores get food. When herbivores get food, and the chain is goes on, you know very well about food chain and food web, again we will read about them. So what is the main point we have to discuss here? About the consumers. Consumers consume all the energy requirement from producers, and producers are only responsible for the production of carbohydrate. Okay, so how carbohydrate formulated? You know very well, with the help of photosynthesis process. Okay, so today we will discuss about different forms of life on earth in form of producers, consumers and decomposers. Okay, so firstly we will discuss about producers. Grasses, moss, flowers, trees, they all algae, they all are producers, because producers are able to, they all are able to prepare their own food, means converts inorganic substances to organic substances. Okay, in presence of sunlight, and this process is known as photosynthesis. Okay, so green plants, certain blue green algae also can works as a producers. Green plants synthesize their food during photosynthesis and convert inorganic substance to organic substance. Inorganic substance like water, water, carbon dioxide in presence of sunlight, in presence of chlorophyll. So this process is very important, children. By the photosynthesis only, not only carbohydrate forms, and side by side oxygen also produced by this process. Okay, so the green plants are called producers in the living world. I hope that much is clear. Now the second series we will discuss today about consumers. Consumers, from the word it is clear, those organisms which use food, eat food in prepared form from producers are known as consumers. Okay, so consumers, all the animals are consumers. Just clear is this thing, all the animals are consumers. Example of consumers like man, goat, deer, fish, lion, they all are consumers. Herbivores generally eat green grasses, and herbivores very important in food chain. They are the first consumers, because they can only get the food material from producers. So those animals which eat only plants are known as herbivores. They can't eat any other food stuffs. So herbivores are cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, horse. They all are the examples of herbivores. They depend only on producers to fulfill their requirement of food. Okay, if an animal eat green grasses or other green plants or their products itself, we say that it gets the food from producers directly. As I told you now only, goat gets the food from producers directly. That's why they are known as herbivores. Only eat herbs, green grasses, green material. Okay, so if an animal eats the meat of another animal, that time we say that it gets the food from producer indirectly. Directly means herbivore get food directly from the producers, so they are known as the directly eat food from producers, but some eat food indirectly. Okay, they are known as carnivores, because those animal which can eat only the flesh of other animal, they are known as carnivores. As your screen, on your screen you can see that they all are the carnivores, because lion, tiger, frog, vulture, lizard, they all depend on others to fulfill their requirement. Okay, food requirement. That's why they are known as the carnivores. I hope that much is clear. Next one series is about the omnivorous. Omnivorous means those animals who eat both plants and animals are called omnivorous. These terms are not new for you children. That's why I am just telling you about a simple series of animals. Okay, so omnivorous animals means they eat only the both the plants and animals, like man, dog, crow, sparrow, bear. Okay, they are known as omnivorous. I hope that much is clear. So in our next video we will discuss about the other groups of animals, and other groups of animal mean decomposer, and how they are important for our nature. Thank you children.